Alright, so I've got here an Eizo brand screen. This one is a very professional grade screen. This one unfortunately has lines on the screen. It is physically damaged. It's going to go to e-waste. As you know, I do electronic repair, so I'm going to pull the motherboard and a power supply out of it to be used on other repairs. So we've got an e-waste cleanup coming up. So this whole thing is going to go in the e-waste. So let's see if we can pull this guy out and have a look on the inside and take it out. Take out the important and vital components for spare parts for future. I've never repaired these kind of monitors, but these are the monitors that are worth fixing. And I'm curious to see inside of it as well. So let's see how we disassemble this guy. So another screw there. This is ColorEdge CS2420. Curious to know who's the actual company manufacturing the panel. It's probably going to be LG or Samsung. We're looking for a weakness somewhere. There's the USB 3 of them. Look at that. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we gotta keep on going. Okay. So, by the looks of it, quite simple. So, this is what connects. There's actually a crack in the screen, sorry. You can actually see the crack on this side. You can see the faintest of line. There, that's it. Going all the way. So this is the typical way that they put them. I've seen these in regular, it's a Samsung panel. So normally they sticker tape these, but not this model, okay. Alright, that's the power supply. So this is the LED controller, power for the LED. Okay. I mean, I can only use, maybe that's a diode. Yeah, diode. It's some sort of a MOSFET, some controller. I don't think I can use much out of this. Yeah, this is unfortunately gonna go straight into rubbish. Maybe not. We'll keep it for in the motherboard box. And here. Okay. And these guys. They've got their own controller logo. Panasonic. So that's a USB controller. Oh, so that will connect to the computer. And this is actually a USB hub. Yeah. Honestly, not much in here I can use. Altera Max 5. Cool. Maybe these ports we can use in future. Yeah. And that port sometimes in certain devices. Alright, that's about it. I think we'll use more parts from the power supply. Hmm. 1000 microfarads, 35 volts, and 450 volts, 120 microfarads. Couple of fuse, on and off switch, capacitors. Okay. And MOSFETs. And a rectifier, AC to DC. Yeah. Okay. That's that. Alright, let's put it all back. There's not much else I can. Ribbon cables, yeah, we'll keep them too. Okay. That's pretty much it. Yep, entire thing going into e-waste. and I'll just put those screws in just in case on the way to the recycling pops out of place. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Nice suspension too. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.